Hey friends, Clayton Phillips here from Woody's RV World in LEDUC, Alberta, Canada, and I'm doing a real fast fly-through video on a new arrival to our dealership. This is a 2016 Keystone Sprindale 285 FWRL. This is a half-ton towable fifth wheel, measuring out at 32 feet 5 inches in length. It is windy here today, so I apologize if we're getting some wind into the microphone here today. But again, 32 feet 5 inches in length. This trailer was a one-owner trailer. They traded in on a great big Solitude. These folks parked it. They didn't pull it around. Sat on a seasonal site and replaced it with a Solitude to go back to their seasonal site. So this particular fifth wheel has seen very little highway, which is really, really nice. And again, like I mentioned, this is a half-ton towable fifth wheel. The hitch weight measuring out or weighing out at 1,265 pounds. So pin weight, payload on half-ton towable fifth wheels is everything. So a lot of the new style half-tons are able to pull this depending on the payload capacity. Okay, I'm not saying every half-ton can pull this trailer, but the right half-ton can pull it. So know your weights, know your specifications on your tow vehicle. Dry weight, 7,600 pounds dry is what the brochure calls the weight, dry weight of this particular Sprindale, folks, which gives you a very impressive 2,485 pounds of cargo carrying capacity. So you can pack a ton of gear with you. And again, I'm going quick on this. This is a pre-owned trailer, a little bit of understorage, 30-pound propane tanks, which is real nice. Great big pass-through storage, which is awesome. Be able to pack all the camping gear, folding tables, barbecue, your chairs, all the gear with you. This one does have the outdoor shower or outdoor utility shower on the entry side of the trailer, which is really, really cool. So you can actually set up a little wash station here, hot and cold tap right underneath your awning. You do get the outdoor speakers, power awning, makes, you know, moving that awning in and out really, really nice. And one of the things they did on the Sprindale fifth wheel in 2016 is they did the correct track alignment system, which separates those tires a little bit more, helping reduce the hitch weight, making it a half-ton towable fifth wheel, very, very stable in a crosswind and those sorts of things. So just helping to improve the ride is what they say. And you do have a radial tire on there with the alloy wheel. The other cool thing is the television inside. You can bring it outside and hang it right on your outside wall of your trailer underneath your camp space, hook up a DVD player. You know, who knows, we may have playoff hockey this summer and you could be watching the playoffs right by the campfire, which would be super cool. Never had that done before. So lots of really neat things. As a hardwall trailer and just, you know, prolonging the life, the durability of the trailer. Triple entry step coming up inside, single slide, which is a super slide, which is real nice. You do have the pull-out sofa there for a bed, booth dinette for a bed, great big windows in this particular trailer as well, folks, which is nice. And it's a rear lounge, RL rear lounge. So you do get the easy chairs there, great big back window, pleated shades, entertainment system right here across from your sofa and your rocker chairs. And you do get the fireplace as well, which is a nice touch. That fireplace is actually a 5,000 BTU heater, so you can turn that on and take the chill out of the air when you're camping without having to turn your furnace on. So two-door fridge, nice big fridge, big freezer, tray on the door, and there you go as well. So you can pack a lot of your goodies. And another nice thing is you do have a great big pantry space here as well. So top to bottom, big pantry space. Keystone RV's been around a long time, building trailers for decades, and you know, very forward thinking with floor plans and those sorts of things, but tons of storage in this layout, which is good, and counter space. So if you like preparing a meal for your family, you can do it. Nice big drawers there. DSI gas electric hot water heater, 6-gallon. So it does have the air conditioner on it as well. I don't go super deep on these ones, but like I do the Grand Design videos, but you're getting a good shot. We're very particular about our pre-owned inventory here at Woody's RV World LEDUC. This particular trailer is going through its full inspection, testing the systems, the water, the gas, propane meaning gas, the electrical, the appliances, all of those things. And one of the things we do at our dealership here when people are taking delivery of their RVs, picking them up, we hook them up, whether it's new or pre-owned, like it's at a full service campground. So rest assured that when you are picking your RV up, we have it plugged in, water in it, all the appliances running based on the inspection that we've done. And we're showing you two things. One, how to work everything, but that everything is working. And so I think that's what's really helped separate our dealership from a lot of others out there. And I encourage you to check out the reviews. Google Woody's RV World LEDUC and you'll get a lot of the true testimonials from customers that have chosen to do business with us. And I thank all of you that have our customers supporting our dealership. Lots of people working here, supporting families in Alberta. So thank you for all the people coming down and doing business with us. We appreciate it. And again, I didn't talk much about the front there, but you kind of got the drift there with the front bedroom there, Queen Island bed, storage underneath of it, all those things. So that pretty much covers this quick tour video on a 2016 Keystone Sprindale fifth wheel 285 FWRL. If you're into dry camping, again, this one, I didn't mention it, but really good tank capacities. Fresh water, 49 gallons, which is pretty, respectable. Your gray capacity, because this was one of the West built models, built for the West Coast, you have two gray tanks equaling 76 gallons gray capacity. The East models had only one gray tank, which basically cut that in half. And then your black capacity on this for your toilet, 42 gallons, which is really, really good. So lots of capacity, half-ton towable, lots of storage, and not crazy expensive either. I'm not going to tell you the price. Give us a call. 780-986-1234 is our phone number. Super easy. Or you can email us, info@woodiesrv, Woody's with a Y, info@woodiesrv.com. That'll go right to our BDC. You'll meet a great team there. And just tell them you mentioned that you watched the video at Woody's RV LEDUC on this beautiful Sprindale fifth wheel, and they will steer you our way. And we have an amazing team, very well educated, and would love to show you a wonderful experience at our dealership here at Woody's RV World LEDUC. My name's Clayton Phillips. Thanks for hanging in with me. We hope you enjoyed this quick video, and happy camping. Take care and be safe. Thanks for your time.